Hello, my dear students. Today we have with us Mr. Muhammad Sefi, who secured All India rank 113 with a computer science background in GATE 2021. There is a reason why we are conducting this interview with Mr. Sefi. Please watch till the last second. Mr. Sefi, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me about yourself.
So, I'm Safi and I'm currently a final year engineering student studying in Matrusri Engineering College. And I've written my GATE 2021 and I've secured All India rank 113 this time.
Okay. So you are a final year student. So how you could manage your college academics and at the same time this GATE preparation?
Well, the main thing is you need to be clear in what times you have to fix your times. This time I have to study my college and this time I have to study for my GATE. You have to fix a time compulsory for GATE and should not, have deductions from that. You must be clear that, yes, in this time I have to prepare for my GATE. So that's the main thing.
Okay. So what is the mode of coaching you have taken from ACE Engineering Academy?
I've taken ACE online course, Deep Learn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how it helped you in the preparation?
So, well, Deep Learn has amazing lectures, well organized lectures. And after watching the lectures, if we have some doubts, they have amazing doubt clarification support also. If the solution is not clear, the faculty individually gets in touch with you and tries to clarify that doubt. So that is the one thing which I like the most.
Okay. So you could manage the timing, both college versus GATE preparation. Have you got any campus placements?
Yes, I've secured an internship with Cisco.
Cisco.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell whether GATE preparation is useful for campus placements?
Well, since GATE syllabus has most of the core subjects, and in the interviews they are going to ask you the core subjects like data structures, algorithms, networks and operating systems. So while taking GATE coaching, I could make sure that I have sufficient information so that I could easily crack the interviews at Cisco.
Okay.
It really helped me there.
Okay. See, we have in campus placement both service-based companies and product-based companies. Whether this GATE preparation is useful for both the things?
Of course, service-based companies, it is surely going to be useful, and for product-based companies, the core subjects, they are going to help you, of course. But for data structures and algorithms, you would require some more coding experience, some practical knowledge. So GATE syllabus will provide all the theoretical aspects. Practical aspects you'll have to gain from actually programming the things.
So competitive coding.
Yes, especially.
Okay. For competitive coding, what sources you use generally?
Well, I especially used HackerRank and Geeks for Geeks a lot. So I used to code there, and also all the programs that the faculty used to teach in the classroom, teach in the course. I used to try to implement that from my own end.
Okay. How you have used this test series?
Well, test series of ACE was very good actually. We've got tests of all individual subjects, then full subject length test, then multi-subject test, then of course the full grant test. So after finishing the preparation for one subject, I immediately did the test series, and then in the end finally I could slowly move on to the multi-subject test series, and then finally the full length test series.
Okay, suppose in some test you got less score, let us assume. How you could manage the pressure or stress?
Well, the first thing is you have to be optimistic always. You have to learn from your mistakes and observe what mistakes you have done. And the good thing is, if you make a mistake in the test series, you're sure that you're not going to repeat that in the final exam. So write as many tests as possible. So that's really going to help you in the final exam.
Okay, what is the sequence of subjects you followed during your preparation using Deep Learn?
I started with DBMS actually because I had that in my college also. Then I moved on to operating systems, algorithms, data structures, then computer networks, and then finally in the end I touched upon engineering and discrete mathematics.
See, this year in the GATE exam, MSQs were introduced.
Yes.
I think in computer science paper, so many MSQs, maybe around 12 to 13 MSQs appeared. How you felt in the exam hall?
Well, in exam, obviously the situation is different from what you write in the test series. You know,
Huh.
you're under a lot of pressure. In test series, what happens is even if you make silly mistakes, you're not gonna. It doesn't bug you much. But in the exam, your mind is focused. You know, I shouldn't make any silly mistakes. So you go back and check the question again and again.
Hmm.
So MSQ solving was a bit tricky, yes, but that's the part and parcel of the game. You have to.
How many
solve it.
marks you got?
I got in 66.6 marks. Total.
66.61. See, there are total 65 questions. Whether you try to attempt each and every question or you left some of the questions.
Well, I did leave some of the questions. So my strategy was actually, you know, first glance through all the questions, solve the questions which you think that, you know, they don't require any pen or paper.
Okay.
Directly solve those questions first. And then as soon as you're looking at each question, you mark the question as whether the question is easy, medium or difficult. So after marking all the question, I picked upon the easy questions. I solved all the easy questions. Then move on to medium questions. Then finally touch upon the tough questions.
Approximately how many questions were there which can be answered just by reading or glancing in this paper?
Typically,
Approximately.
in this paper, approximately I could find 10 to 12 questions like that.
So
Without any pen or paper, I could solve that.
Okay, what suggestion you will give to your juniors? Because cracking in the final year really it's not that much easy nowadays, because the competition from the passed out student, because those who have completed already BTech, repeaters, so that is one side. The other side, final year students will have a lot of pressure from the academics. So it's a really great achievement. So what suggestion you give to juniors?
Well, my biggest suggestion is you analyze yourself, because many of you may have already attempted competitive exams in before, MSET, JEE. Some of you may have succeeded, some of you may not have succeeded. So analyze from those mistakes and try not to repeat those mistakes this time. That was the biggest thing that I followed. I looked upon my preparation for JEE, and I thought what mistakes I have done at that time, and I shouldn't repeat those mistakes this time. And of course, the biggest thing is try to complete all the preparation for all the subjects much before, because you shouldn't leave anything in the end. The last month or two should be left exclusively for revision and test series. So of course try to revise as much as possible, because that is going to help a lot in the final one.
So I'm very happy to know that you got Cisco offer.
Yes.
And at the same time now 113 rank. So you will get a very good IIT. So MTech you will get computer science in some good IIT. So what is your choice? Joining Cisco through campus or doing MTech from IITs?
Well, of course I'll be doing MTech from IITs, because that atmosphere is something else which cannot be given by anything else. You get an IIT tag, which is quite popular actually.
So people may say that Are Baba, in Cisco you might have got some 10-11 lakh package. I think you're a fool why you have joined MTech. So any suggestions you have from your seniors that placements may be good in IITs also, apart from IIT brand, IIT tag? So what do you know about the placements in IITs through MTech?
Placements in IITs are quite good actually. Many IITs have an average package of around 25 lakh per annum. The highest package goes up to maybe 95 to 1 crore in some IITs. So of course the placement in IITs is something else as compared to the regular.
So
colleges.
there are two aspects. One is the tag or brand value you will get, and a happy think that you are an IITian in future. At the same time you are getting placements, good placements. Yes, this is one of the best choice for computer science background students. I think may not be there for some branches. Okay, very good, Mr. Muhammad Shafi. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Just one thing, what motivates you regularly whenever you are in pressure? See, everybody is subjected to some pressure at some point of time. So there will be some motivation to us to achieve something. Any motivation you used to get regularly?
Well, the biggest motivation is, I have to achieve something in life. I have to make a name. I have to make my parents proud, and of course my family and my college.
Okay.
So that is probably the biggest motivation anyone could ever get.
Great, great. So you are not forgetting your parents and institutions. Okay. God bless you. God bless you, better. God bless you.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.